So I've just been sitting over here. It's been constant gang stalkers driving by, just constantly. And this cop just parked over here. There's been like 5 cops that drove by and a sheriff. He just parks over here. He's just sitting there. What he's doing? Gang stalking is what he's doing. I don't know what he's pretending to do though. And like a cop pulled up right as a white car pulled up, and then there was another white car over here pulling out at the same time, and a bunch of stuff happening all at the same time. Sheriff drove by, a bunch of cops drove by, and then this cop just drove by and parked over here. He's just sitting there. So I just started recording, see what he does, if anything. If he's just gonna sit there. So stupid, man. So stupid. They've just been driving by constantly. It's just constant cars coming through. You know. And then, like I said, white cars single with police cars and Domino's cars, and this car's got one orange light. I saw a truck with one tail light. Right after the police drove through, there's a truck driving through with one tail light too. There's like a bunch of clowns all at once. It's a white car driving by right here. There's people coming up to the corner, right at the corner of the building. The police car is taking off now at the corner of that building. There you go. You see the police gang stalker? You see the police gang stalker on my camera? And now there's no cars back here. It was just a constant stream of cars. The whole time I was sitting there. It was just a constant stream of cars over there, and now there's no cars over there at all. Like, it was just one after the other, like one would drive through and then another one would be pulling up right after, just constantly. And now, okay, there goes a couple. And they're driving by as I'm coming up to this intersection though, so it's probably at least 2 clowns over there out of those 3 cars. There's a car honking their lock button over here right now. Like, I just bring traffic with me everywhere. I'm like a magnet for traffic. For the trafficker traffic. The traffic run by the traffickers. There's people walking out in front of me on the sidewalk as I go by the bank corner with a red shirt. One's got a red shirt on. There's this really loud truck driving by me that's probably a clown. I don't know. But they do that with their loud noise harassment trucks. Seen them doing it. You know, I think they drive by at like those doorways over there, and that's probably what he's doing. They're getting in a white SUV over here. They're just getting in the white SUV over here right now, you know? You know? There's a car pulling up behind me too. And they're slamming the final door on the white SUV right there at the corner. They're slamming the other doors at the other corner. And they're coming out of the building in front of me. Whoa. Whoa. Right as I walk by the door. She had an orange shirt on, I think. Right? They wear the orange shirts and the red shirts. And sometimes blue, like, it's usually like red and blue, like, together. And some people get, like, gang stalked with different colors, and there's a white car right here. Like, I think some people get more, like, blue-shirted people. Or whatever color, whatever customized color. But I usually see the red shirt people or the orange or the red and blue together. Like one person in a red shirt and one person in a blue shirt. You know, like red and blue, like duality, like police lights, Coke and Pepsi, and red pill, blue pill, and Democrat and Republican. You know? And then sometimes they'll be wearing camo too. Oh, and they keep sending this child in at the library who wears camo. He's always wearing camo. It's just this little boy. And he'll just come in and then walk back out. Like, it's really obvious the way that he's doing it. It's like really robotic and obvious. He'll just come in. Like one day he just came in and sat down at the table that I'm sitting at, on the chair next to me. Just sits there like a robot. Like he just sits down, just stares straight ahead out the window, and then he gets back up out of his chair and leaves. And then today he just came in, walked in, and just stood there for a second, and then just walked back out. And he's wearing camo both times. He's wearing like a camo jacket one day, and then he's wearing a camo shirt today. I've seen him a couple other times come in and do that too, I think. At least one other time. And there's a bunch of gang stalkers that are just always there when I get there. And always coming in and out. It's the same people. Always coming in and out, synchronized with each other and synchronized with gang stalker cars. Where do they all go now? Now the streets are empty. It was just a whole bunch of traffic a minute ago. When I was sitting at the bench, what happened? Oh, I see a police car. I see a police car pulling up to the intersection. I'll walk by the corner, probably. Oh, he's driving out in front of me as I walk by the corner of the building. There you go. That's what it was. I knew he was gang stalking. Maybe he's actually doing something too, but he was gang stalking me on the way back to the police station. Are all the police gang stalking? Or like a requirement to get the job? You gotta be a gang stalker. Yellow Volkswagen that I'm always seeing gang stalking, just driving by right at the corner of the Dollar General over there. That's probably that gang stalker yellow Volkswagen bug that I always see gang stalking. And there was a white SUV turning right after it. And what's this? A white truck. It's a white truck. Oh no, that's a yellow truck. That's a yellow truck. That's not a white truck. That was a white truck. Alright. I guess I made them all go away. I scared them off with my camera. You know, I made it a lot of them go away. So there's a lot more before I started recording. They'll do it more blatantly when I'm not recording. Usually, sometimes they'll show off for the camera a little bit. Hey, here's a police car again. At the corner of the building. And this car's driving in front of me at this corner, but they always drive by me. And it's probably a clown. And then when I get to the intersection, I'm gonna see a clown. A white car pulling out